Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speak Up English podcast, where we help you speak English with confidence from zero to natural. I'm Anna.
And I'm John. Thanks for joining us today. Grab your coffee, take a seat, and relax. Today's episode is one of my favorites.
Yes, we're talking about hobbies and interests, a topic everyone can relate to.
Exactly. You know when someone asks, "So, what do you do for fun?" and your mind just goes blank?
It happens to me all the time, but not after today, because we're giving you real phrases and natural conversation examples.
So stay with us till the end. You'll learn how to ask about hobbies, share yours naturally, and keep the conversation going like a pro.
So, John, let's start simple. What do you usually say when you want to ask someone about their hobbies?
I usually go with something friendly like, what do you like to do in your free time?
Nice and simple. I sometimes ask, do you have any hobbies you're really into? It sounds curious, but not too serious.
Another one I like is, how do you usually relax after a long day?
Yes, that one works great in the workplace too.
All right, Anna, let's talk about our hobbies. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Okay, I have a few, but the hobby that relaxes me the most is painting. I'm not a professional or anything. I just enjoy mixing colors.
That's awesome. How did you get into painting?
I started during the pandemic. What about you?
My main hobby is playing basketball. It helps me stay active and energetic.
How long have you been playing?
Since I was a kid, maybe 9 or 10 years old.
Hobbies help us stay balanced, mentally and emotionally.
And they help you connect with people. When you share your hobbies, you show your personality.
Exactly. It's one of the easiest ways to build deeper connections. Part 4, Types of Hobbies. Let's go through a few categories of hobbies. Creative, painting, writing, photography, active, hiking, running, yoga, intellectual, reading, learning languages, social, board games, volunteering.
And niche hobbies like digital art, esports, urban gardening.
Nowadays, even gaming is a real hobby. I really enjoy, I'm passionate about, I find relaxing.
Explaining how you started, I picked it up during a friend introduced me to it. I've been doing it for
Showing interest in others. That sounds interesting. Tell me more. How did you get into that? So, John, what do you usually do for fun?
Well, I really enjoy cooking. It helps me relax after work.
How did you get into cooking?
I started during college because I was broke.
That's cool. Do you try new recipes often?
At least once a week.
I'm into photography. I love capturing everyday moments.
How long have you been doing it?
For about 2 years now. You know what's funny, John? People think hobbies must be impressive, but some of my favorite hobbies are simple.
Oh? Like what? Don't say taking naps, because that's my hobby.
Sometimes, yes, but mostly watering my plants. It's so calming.
How many plants do you have now?
Don't judge me, but around 22.
22? Anna, that's not a hobby. That's a forest.
But taking care of them helps me slow down.
That's how I feel when I'm cooking. Last weekend, I tried making pasta from scratch.
Ooh, fancy. How was it?
Terrible. The noodles look like broken shoelaces.
But you still ate it, right?
Of course, I made it with love.
That's the thing about hobbies. It's about enjoying the process.
You know, I admire how consistent you are with your hobbies.
Really? I always thought you were the committed one.
Basketball keeps me connected to my old friends.
That's beautiful. Hobbies aren't always about skill. Sometimes they're about connection.
Do you think painting helps you in real life?
Definitely. It taught me patience. You can't rush art.
Same with cooking. You rush the onions, they burn. Life lesson. Never rush onions.
Put that on a shirt.
You should post your paintings online.
What? No way.
I'll be your first follower. I'll comment, masterpiece, worth $1 million.
Fine, but only if you start a cooking blog.
Deal. But I'll post failures too.
People love honesty.
To everyone listening, your hobby doesn't need to be impressive. It just needs to make you happy.
Exactly. Reading, gaming, gardening, anything.
And that's it for today's episode. Now you know how to talk about your hobbies in English.
Tell us your hobby in the comments. We'd love to hear it.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and speak up every day.
Bye.